Native plants form the core of our ecosystem, intricately connected to their local environment and the creatures that inhabit it. Over thousands of years, they have formed mutually beneficial relationships with their native insects, including bees, butterflies, beetles, and moths. This co-evolution has led to a balance where each species depends on the other for survival and propagation. Take, for example, the monarch butterfly, renowned for their stunning orange and black wings. Monarch caterpillars rely solely on milkweed plants for their nourishment. A decline in the availability of these plants has direct implications for monarch populations, which in turn impacts the wider ecosystems that depend on them for pollination as a food source. Similarly, native bees have evolved to favor specific local plant species for gathering nectar and pollen, which they use to feed their larvae. The loss of native plants, therefore, poses a direct threat to these critical pollinators. Without these plants, these pollinators could see a sharp decline, affecting the biodiversity of the entire ecosystem. Another crucial factor to the resilience of native plants is that they have adapted to our local soil and climate conditions. These plants are sturdy and require less intensive care, making them more sustainable by preserving water, reducing the need for pesticides and fertilizers. It promotes soil health. This now brings us to the industrious honeybee. Interestingly, despite their significant presence in North America, honeybees are not native to this region. They were brought over by European settlers and have since spread across the continent. Nevertheless, honeybees have become crucial pollinators, playing an essential role in both natural ecosystems and agricultural practices. They are responsible for pollinating approximately 1/3 of food crops we consume. Honeybees aren't just important for agriculture, though. They also play a significant role within our wild ecosystems. Despite being non-native, they pollinate a broad range of plants and support biodiversity. Like many other insects, honeybees face threats including habitat loss, exposure to pesticides, diseases, and climate change, emphasizing the need to foster a diverse habitat for their survival. Let's turn our attention to the fascinating world of carpenter bees, part of the genus Psyllocopa. Carpenter bees are known for their unique behavior of nectar robbing. Instead of entering the flower from the top, thereby facilitating pollination, carpenter bees often pierce the base or side of the flower to access the nectar directly. While this may seem like cheating, it's a survival strategy that can still contribute to cross-pollination. Carpenter bees are also recognized for their distinct nesting behavior. Their ability to burrow into wood to create tunnels for their nests, which, while beneficial for the bees, can sometimes lead to unintentional damage to human-made wooden structures. The state of Arkansas serves as a vibrant example of the importance of these ecosystems. It is a home to a diverse population of butterfly species, including the iconic monarch and swallowtail. These butterflies contribute significantly to pollination and are valuable indicators of environmental health.
nature.
Lastly, the introduction of non-native species and the cultivation of monocultures can disrupt these delicately balanced ecosystems, leading to a ripple effect of damage. Therefore, efforts to preserve and promote native plant species and their diversity are of paramount importance in maintaining a healthy, balanced, and resilient ecosystem. Our world is a symphony of interconnected life, with native plants and insects playing pivotal roles. Ensuring their survival allows us to uphold the rich biodiversity that sustains the very life on our planet.